everyone, good morning. We're here at Camsor Water Sports Center. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Meron din tayong ATV dito lang. Yan, panoorin natin ito sandali. Is Camsor. We're here at Camsor Water Sports Center. Ayan. Ayun na yung sasakyan. Tatakbo tayo today. Ayan. Meron tayong enduro trail, snake trail, fun trail, ATV trail. Ayan. Ayun na. Super init ng tatakbo.